Dear friends, in this video we will learn how to install micro SD card into Intex iRist watch phone. First of all, switch off the watch. After that, unscrew 4 screws 1, 2, 3, 4 with the help of screwdriver given in the watch box. Then remove the back cover. After that, remove battery carefully. This is battery connector and this is MMC tray. Unlock MMC tray by pushing it towards the right hand side. Place the memory card into the MMC tray carefully. After that, lock MMC tray. Refix the battery. Then fix back cover carefully. After that, switch on the watch phone and check storage. Go to the settings, storage, then you can see the SD card is installed.